Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn and write a 10-line essay on the postman. First line. The postman is a government servant. Second line. Postman is a familiar face. Third line. He wears khaki dress and hat. Fourth line. They deliver letters, money orders, and parcels to us. Fifth line. They always carry a bag. Sixth line. Usually, the postman is honest and hardworking. Seventh line. They keep the letter, money orders, and parcels in the bag. Eighth line. They get a salary from government. Ninth line. They also work in the rain, scorching heat, and extreme cold. 10th line. We should respect them. Thanks for watching my video.